Good day, champion. This is Coach Gerald. Welcome back to GMG Chess. Today, let's analyze one of the amazing games of my favorite chess player, Konstantin Sakaev, which is also the author of the Semi-Slav book, which is my pet opening against 1d4. Wherein the queen at a1 is completely outplayed, and after queen h3, the checkmate along the second rank is inevitable. Without further ado, let's go now to the game. Gaprindashvili played d4, knight f6, c4, g6, g3, bishop g7, bishop g2, d5, c takes d5, knight takes d5, e4. We know that Greenfield defense is a combative chess opening, which later on challenged the white strong e4 and d4 pawns. Knight b6. Knight e2 simply develop and protect the pawn at d4. c5 immediately challenge the pawn at d4. d5. If d takes c5, queen takes d1 check, king takes d1, knight a4. Simply leave white uncastled. After d5, e6 immediately challenge the strong d5 pawn. Castle, e takes d5, e takes d5. The d pawn is isolated. The question is it strong or weak? Let's find out. Castle, safety first, knight e3, knight a6, a4, knight c4. Bishop f5 is also good. Then knight d2, knight takes d2, bishop takes d2, bishop f5. Now the two black bishops are cutting half of the board. Bishop e3, a positional approach. One of the plans is to trade the bishop at h3. Also, the b4 square is outpost for black knight. Queen b3, rook ac8, protecting first the pawn at c5, followed by knight b4. Rook fd1. If d6, interesting, then knight b4, blocking the control at b7. And the black knight posted in the strong b4 square. Bishop takes c5, knight c2, bishop takes a7, knight takes a1, rook takes a1, queen takes d6, bishop b7, rook c7, rook d1. The position is unclear. After rook fd1, rook fe8. As principal said, place your rook in the open file. Rook d2, knight b4. Now the knight occupied the strong b4 square. Bishop f1, securing the d3 square. Then after bishop takes c5, knight c2. Rook takes c2, bishop takes c2, queen b4, b6, bishop e3, black is better. After bishop f1, a6, securing the important b5 square. Knight a2. White challenged the strong knight at b4, but still the black two bishops are strong. If rook c1, then b6 protecting the c5 pawn, knight a2, then rook e4. After knight a2, knight takes a2, queen takes a2. If rook takes a2, then bishop e4, occupying the deadly h1 to a8 diagonal, planning to move queen f5, then queen f3, decisive. After queen takes a2, bishop e4, again same plan, queen f5 and queen f3 with decisive effect. Rook c1. If queen b3, again same, queen f5. Then queen f5, bishop e2. A little bit dubious. Again trading the bishop by bishop g2, bishop takes g2, king takes g2, queen e4 check, king g1, c4, a3. And black has initiative. And the bishop at g7 is strong. After bishop e2, queen h3, checkmating at queen g2, bishop f1, queen f5. Again, the threat is queen f3, checkmating at h1, bishop e2, bishop d4. Now we are in a critical position wherein white did a mistake. After bishop takes d4, white was under pressure, and the opening of the file, the c file, is favor for the attacker, which is black. As the former world champion Robert James Fischer quoted, tactics flow from a superior position, which is black. Better is queen a3. But still, black is winning after bishop takes d5, queen d3, bishop e4, queen a3, rook c d8. Black is winning because of material and initiative. After bishop takes d4, c takes d4. Opens up the c file, which favor for black. Rook takes c8, rook takes c8, rook takes d4. If queen a1 securing the first rank, then d3, a dangerous pass pawn. Bishop d1, rook c2, bishop takes c2, queen f3. The checkmate is inevitable. After rook takes d4, rook c1 check, rook d1. If bishop d1, queen f3. After rook d1, we are now in one of our chess puzzles. I give you 30 seconds to 1 minute to solve this before we proceed to the solution. Time is up. Let's check. In our puzzle posted in Facebook, some answered bishop takes d5. After bishop takes d5, queen takes d5, queen takes d5, rook takes c1, queen d2 double attack, the bishop and rook, rook c8, force, king g7, bishop f3. Black is winning but not convincing as the answer. Some answered rook c2. But after rook c2, rook e1, bishop takes d5, queen b1, rook takes e2. Black is winning, but not as same as the answer. And last, and the answer to this puzzle is queen h3. Checkmating at g2 and forcing white to open up the second rank. And after rook c2, there is decisive effect along second rank. f3. If bishop f1, rook takes d1. The bishop is pinned. After f3, bishop takes f3. Good move. Bishop takes f3. If king f2, queen g2. Check. And the rook and the bishop will be lost and also checkmated. After bishop takes f3, rook c2. Now the checkmate along the second rank is inevitable. Queen b3, queen takes h2, check, king f1, then queen f2, checkmate. Did you enjoy watching this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because we will upload more valuable chess videos for your chess improvement. Good luck and have a great day, champions!